So I began my real estate career in the early 2000s when people were really uncertain about what was going on in real estate. But what I knew was that sales is service. And if I could provide a level of service in real estate, I would be able to endure this industry. And I have been able to do that by building a reputation for myself with a high level of customer service. And that's what makes Summit Sotheby's International Realty such a good match for me. Hi, my name is Merrilee Morgan, and I'm a sales associate with Summit Sotheby's International Realty. My area of specialty is working with people that are downsizing, and I like to call that niche downsize with distinction. I help people in the process of moving from the big family home to a smaller property that makes more sense for that season of their life. Whereas my daughter, Emily Brooke, she focuses on the first-time home buyer and helps them through their process of getting qualified and finding a home that fits their budget and fits their needs as they begin their journey in the real estate process. The level of sophistication that I have gained as an agent working for this brokerage has elevated me to be able to represent multiple million-dollar transactions to mobile homes. Whatever the price point is, it makes no difference. I have the skill set, I have the support behind me in my brokerage, I have the education, and I have the experience that sets me apart. When I'm not doing real estate, I definitely am a family woman. I'm a wife, a mother. I've got 5 grandkids who I absolutely adore, and they're the joys of my life. And I love spending time with my family at my cabin in the High Uintas. And it's a family cabin that I inherited from my father, who inherited it from his great-grandfather. So the legacy of this property in our family is really important to me. But I also have a really strong friend group. And with my friends, I enjoy cycling. I got into cycling because I have an older brother and an older sister who are deceased. And their diseases got me into fundraising for cycling. And I ended up becoming an endurance cyclist, which I absolutely enjoy and love so much. And in the process, I get to raise money for their charity organizations in their names. And that brings me a lot of joy, and it keeps them in my heart. I truly believe a home is the most sacred space on this earth. And whether you're buying or selling, I can help you establish that, and I can help you move the process forward so that you have a place to live, you have a place to call home, you have a place to decompress and regenerate yourself to carry on your contributions to the world. My contribution in the real estate industry is to be of service to people and to help people get where they want to go with the greatest amount of ease and grace possible. We all have our own challenges when we're in stressful situations, and a really good agent can diffuse the intensity out of a stressful situation and keep the transaction moving forward so that in the end, everyone crosses the finish line and everyone ends up with the goal that they wanted to achieve.